Everyone, in today's video we will see how to access the Samsung Secure folder. Find secure folders on any Samsung phone. Method 1. Open secure folders from the app screen. So swipe up from the home screen to open the app drawer. Look for the secure folder app icon. Tap the icon and enter your PIN, password pattern or fingerprint to unlock it. Then you can now access the apps and files stored inside the secure folder. Method 2. Find secure folder through settings. So open the settings, tap security and privacy, select more security settings and tap secure folder. Then enter your security credentials when prompted. The secure folder settings page will be open. Method 3. Enable secure folder if it is missing. So open the settings, tap security and privacy or biometrics and security on some model and select secure folder and tap on continue. Then signing into your Samsung account, choose a lock method such as PIN, password pattern or fingerprint and complete the setup process. The secure folder icon will then appear in your app screen. Method 4. Show secure folder if it is hidden. So open the settings, tap security and privacy, select more security settings and tap on secure folder. Then turn on add secure folder to app screen and confirm by tapping shows if prompted. The secure folder icon should reappear in your app drawer. Method 5. Use the quick panel shortcut. If secure folder is hidden, you can access it from quick settings. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Look for the secure folder toggle, then tap it to show or hide the secure folder. Once enabled, open the app screen and launch the secure folder manually. Goodbye.